Good morning, students. Today we have to show that u equal to sin x cos hy is harmonic, and also find its analytic function. We know the Cauchy-Riemann equations are ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. Based on this result, we can find the analytic function. First, we have to show that u is harmonic. For that, we have to show that uxx plus uyy equal to 0. uxx plus uyy equal to 0. First, we have to show that u equal to sin x cos hy. U is harmonic. For that, take ux, partially differentiating with respect to x. When we take partially differentiating with respect to x, sin x will be cos x. Cos hy. Then uxx, then minus sin x into cos hy. Similarly, uy is equal to sin x into derivative of cos hy. Derivative of cos hy is equal to sin hy. Sin hy. uyy, derivative of sin x into cos hy. Therefore, sin x into cos hy. Cos hy is equal to sin derivative of uyy. Therefore, sin x into sin hy cos hy. uy is equal to sin x into sin hy. Therefore, uyy. Again, we differentiate with respect to y. Sin x into cos hy. Then adding uxx plus uyy. uxx plus uyy. uxx is equal to minus sin x cos hy plus uyy sin x into cos hy. That is equal to 0. uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Therefore, we showed that u is harmonic. U harmonic and college. Then, in order to prove the next result, we remember the result ux is equal to cos x cos hy and uy is equal to sin x sin hy. Use this result, we have to find out the value of v. Take the first Cauchy-Riemann equation. First Cauchy-Riemann equation is vy is equal to ux. First Cauchy-Riemann equation, vy is equal to ux. Here ux is equal to cos x cos hy. vy is equal to cos x into cos hy. This is equation 1. Then integrating with respect to y. Integrating 1 with respect to y, we get v is equal to cos x into cos hy. Cos hy and sin hy. Cos x into sin hy. This is plus. When we integrate it with respect to y, a constant will come. That constant will be pi of x. Therefore, this is the imaginary part v. Next, we have to find out the value of pi x. For that, we partially differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, Vx is equal to partially differentiating with respect to x. Vx is equal to minus sin x. Cos x into minus sin x into sin hy plus pi dash x. We differentiating. This is equation 2. When we differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x, Vx is equal to minus sin x sin hy plus pi dash x. Then take the second Cauchy-Riemann equation. Second Cauchy-Riemann equation, uy is equal to minus vx. Here uy is equal to uy is equal to sin x sin hy. Minus vx is equal to minus sin x sin hy plus pi dash x. Therefore, when we cancel this term and this term will be cancelled, therefore pi dash x is equal to 0. When we integrating with respect to x, integrating with respect to x, we get pi of x is equal to z. Therefore, the value of v is equal to value of v is equal to cos x cosine hy plus c. This is the value of v. Therefore, value of v is equal to cos x sine hy plus c. Then we can find the function. Next, we have to find out the f of z. Next, we have to find out the function f of z. F of z is equal to u plus iv. Here u is equal to sin x cos hy. Plus v is equal to v is equal to cos x sin hy plus c. Cos x sin hy plus c ഇതാണ് v എന്നുള്ളത്. Then sin x plus cos hy can be taken as cos iy. Cos iy is equal to cos hy plus cos x into I sin hy can be taken as sin iy plus c. Therefore, sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy. This is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Therefore, this result can be taken as sin a cos b, sin x plus iy plus c. But x plus iy is equal to sin x plus iy is equal to z. Therefore, the function f of z is equal to sin z plus c. Therefore, f of z is equal to sin z plus c. This is the result. Okay.